Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm your host, Sophia, and today I'm excited to share something powerful: the 6 secret strategies every beginner needs to learn English faster, smarter, and with confidence. Whether you're starting from zero or restarting your English journey, these secrets will help you level up. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin. Secret number 1. Input first. Listen before you speak. Secret number 1 is input first. Most beginners try to speak too early, and when they can't, they feel frustrated. But here's the truth: you must listen a lot before you speak. Think about how children learn their first language. They listen for months before saying their first word. To apply this, listen to English every day, even 10 minutes. Choose simple content: kids shows, beginner podcasts, slow English channels. Don't worry about understanding everything. Your brain is learning automatically. Listening builds your accent, vocabulary, and natural flow without stress. Secret number 2. Shadowing: the fastest way to improve pronunciation. Shadowing means repeating what a speaker says in real time, like their shadow. Here's how to do it. Choose a short video or audio, 10 to 30 seconds. Play it and try to speak at the same time. Focus on rhythm and melody, not perfection. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. Shadowing helps you speak smoother, improve pronunciation, sound more natural, and build confidence. It's one of the most powerful training methods, simple but amazingly effective. Secret number 3. Use the 3-sentence method to speak every day. Instead of trying to speak long conversations, start small. Every day, speak just 3 sentences, such as what you did today, your goals, your feelings, something you learned, something you want to do. For example, today I woke up early. I listened to an English podcast. I want to improve my vocabulary. This method removes pressure and builds a speaking habit. Consistency is the key. Secret 4. Learn vocabulary in phrases, not single words. Secret number 4 is to learn phrases instead of single words. For example, instead of memorizing the word book, learn the phrase, "I'm reading a book." When you learn phrases, you remember vocabulary faster. You understand real English. You can use the phrase immediately in real life. You sound more natural. Try adding 3 new phrases to your notebook every day. Secret 5. Create your English environment even at home. Secret number 5, build an English environment no matter where you live. You don't need to travel. You can create an English world at home. Change your phone to English, listen to English while cooking or cleaning, follow English creators, label objects in your house. Use English-only apps. When English becomes a part of your daily life, learning becomes automatic, natural, and effortless. Secret number 6. Use the power of repetition. Master, don't memorize. Secret number 6 is repetition. Beginners often rush. They try to learn everything quickly and then forget it. Instead, repeat. Videos, audios, phrases, lessons. Repetition changes information into memory. Here's a good rule. Learn less, repeat more. Mastering 100 words is better than forgetting 1,000. Conclusion and motivation. So those were the 6 secrets to starting your English journey the right way. Let's review quickly. Listen first. Use shadowing. Speak 3 sentences a day. Learn phrases. Create an English environment. Repeat to master. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. If you apply these secrets every day, your English will grow faster than you imagine. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Sophia from English Podcast Zone. Keep learning, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next episode.